Students, best of luck. So for the 10th May, 11th May, the examination which you have given for ISI MSQE, we are solving the paper today, and for MSQE, we are solving for the PEA paper. So if you are having any explanation or you need any solve regarding solution regarding any particular question, you can also directly tell us to this number. So let's see. This is the first question which I have picked up today. It is on the solo style economy and the production function being given I. So let's see. We are given a solo style economy with the production function, and y is equal to root kn. So that means y is equal to kn to the power half. Okay. So we know here as usual that what is y? Y is the output. K is what? K is capital. And N is what? N is population or the output or the number of worker. Now first, our question is that everything is given to us. We have to find out the steady state capital per worker and the output per worker, correct? So now we have to first convert it to output per worker. Now we define output per worker as how? Y is equals to Y by N, okay? And what is my capital per worker? So capital per worker is similarly K by N. Now I will substitute this into the production function. So Y is Y by N is Kn to the power half by N. So that is K by N to the power half. Okay. So that is K to the power half. So the per worker production function is given by Y is equal to K to the power half. Now second, I come to the steady state condition. So in the solo model, the change in capital per worker over time is given by how? dk by dt is equals to sfk minus depreciation k. Okay. So now at steady state level, dk by dt is equals to 0. So we have sfk is equals to depreciation k. Now we will substitute, which we have found out, fk is equal to k to the power half. So sk to the power half will be depreciation of k. Now we will solve for k. How we can find out? We have to divide both sides by k to the power half, and we assume that k is not equals to 0. So now s is equals to depreciation k half, that is k half is equal to s by depreciation, or we can say k is equal to s by depreciation square. Okay. So then my steady state capital per worker will be k star. Let's represent it by, so steady state capital per worker will be k star is equals to s by depreciation square. So now again I will use y equal to k to the power half to find out the output per worker. So that is k star to the power half. So that is s by depreciation to the power half. So that is s by depreciation. So then what is my final answer then? As we can understand, the steady state capital per worker, option C is your correct answer. Best of luck, students.